Okay, now we'll demonstrate the mask detection functionality. Right now we're going to the same face option area. We have the mask detect set to none right now, which will still detect facial even though you have a mask on. So let's just start again with none. No. Okay, and we'll go back. Of course, it's going to detect, it should, and put the mask on now. And as suspected, it's still detecting him with a mask on. We're not putting any restrictions and not detecting any mask right now. So we will enable the first option, mask guide. Now this is going to be the lowest selection of the options. It's just going to tell the user to make sure to wear a mask. It's just a warning message. It's still going to allow the user in, so the user then puts on the mask, and of course it allows authentication. So even if you do not have the mask on properly, it's going to warn you with a different message and tell you to wear the mask properly. Basically cover your nose in that particular case. So we'll turn on the option again. We'll go to restrict level. Now this is just a higher level of restriction. With no mask on, it's not going to allow any access. It's going to do a direct warning and tell the user to wear a mask before it allows entry. So Wilson will put on the mask now and show a demonstration with the mask on. Of course it does work because it's detecting a full mask. So even if he has partly covered, it's just going to do a warning. Please wear the mask properly. That's just a warning, so it's still going to allow as a successful transaction. And we will show you the highest level of restriction, where it's not going to allow access on any condition. So we have the first condition of no mask. Of course, it's going to give the message of please wear a mask. And we'll put the mask on. And of course it's successful. Once the mask is on, it's detecting properly. And with it not worn properly, instead of giving a warning this time, it's actually giving a rejection. So the user will not be allowed to enter unless they're wearing their mask correctly. So that's what the full restriction option is.